EnglishFast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Be born, teach, guide. Be born. Be born is a verb. A2 learners usually know be born. At A2, be born means to come out of the mother's body and start to exist. Here are some examples. I was born in 1995. She was born 3 weeks ago. They were both born in London. Teach. Teach is a verb. A2 learners usually know teach. At A2, to teach is to show or explain to someone how to do something. Here are some examples. He wanted to teach in Africa. This video teaches you to know these words better. Her father is from Spain, so he taught his daughter to speak Spanish. Guide. Guide is a noun. A2 learners usually know guide. At A2, a guide is a person whose job it is to show interesting places to visitors or to help people get somewhere. Here are some examples. The guide at the museum was very friendly. As a guide, he sometimes gives talks to tourists. She wants to be a tour guide, so she has to know a lot of information. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with be born, teach and guide. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for free CEFR A2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.